Alright, so back. How you just flying right at a nigga, Wasp? And if you come back, I'ma kill you. Man, some bullshit. Avis ain't had no trucks for me, but the truck they had was 2-wheel drive. Look at this shit. This had to walk up, then down, because I forgot equipment and the battery for the Matterport. Had to come back up. I was gonna fly from down there, but since I forgot, I would just bring the drone here, take off in here. Already did my civils. I just gotta get into those 2 cabinets, the main cabinets, do the Matterport, and fly. We good. Forgot this piece of equipment right here. Had to go all the way back down for this. So this right here is the battery cabinet. You know y'all see it. So gotta take a picture of what type of locks to get into this cabinet. Thing I don't like about these little backwood, but it'd be spiders you ain't never seen before. The digital display, gotta take a picture of that. Then we got the router right here, the RAN, flexi stacks, interior ground bars, and the inside is done. Now over here, it's the battery cabinet. Just go get a wide angle shot of that. There's no light for the area, so I'm gonna tag an NA to that. And then, like I said, I already got all the silver, so we good. Now we just gotta do the Matterport. It should be loaded up. We just gotta create a session for it. One of my common mistakes that I always do, I always start the scan and leave the cover on. So go ahead and remove the cover, and we good to go. Matterport 3 Pro. This can do LiDAR scans or 3D scans outside versus the Matterport 2 Pro. Pretty fast too. So. Alright, boy, I done got hot already and I started sweating, man. Whoa, I ain't gonna lie, I need the exercise though. That was a nice little hike, man. Alright, here. Go ahead and hide. Well, this set right here, 2:30. I think I got here maybe 10:30. And it's 11:14. We already did one. I had to go back to one that was in Atlanta. I just had to fly it. I already did the civils. This the second one for the day. Then I gotta hit 5 more. And we in Alabama right now. So, yes, sir. So in a couple days, 3290. So yeah, with the Matterport, we just gotta do this whole compound, scan around the whole compound. Nothing too much. In the flight, y'all already see trees. So we go fly above the tree line for the upper, for the up top CSO. And then for the lower CSO, I'm gonna try to come down on this side and then do a loop or orbit in the compound. If not, I'm just gonna come on this side right here. I think I can though. So yeah, it's actually good that I brought the drone up here and not flying from down there. Just gotta learn the maneuver, man, that's it. Again, guys, I do have the ebook in my bio or in the link below. Make sure you gonna cop, man. Look, birds and shit been getting cooked by them antennas up there. Been getting cooked. But I have the vendor list and the ebook / mini course on my website and on the link in the link below or the link in my bio. Tap in with me. It is a little windy, but that Mavic a go. That bitch a champ. So now we can back out some, get out the tree way, and just go straight up. All right, so that's a wrap. Make sure we got all the civils. I uploaded my civils and headed to the car so I can tag them. Got the Matterport done. Just gotta transfer the drone photos, tag the civils, then we out of here onto the next site. The next site is a guide wire. But look at my hands, they full. See what I gotta do? Sheesh.